Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with flashcards effectively. Flashcards are a fantastic tool for boosting your learning, especially when you understand the science behind them. They leverage active recall, which means actively retrieving information from your memory rather than passively rereading notes. This simple yet powerful method helps you solidify knowledge, making it much easier to remember facts and concepts over the long term. Let's dive into how to maximize their potential. The core principle of effective flashcard use is active recall. Instead of just looking at the answer, challenge yourself to retrieve the information from your brain first. This mental effort is what truly strengthens your memory. Think of it like exercising a muscle. The more you actively try to recall, the stronger your memory becomes. Always attempt to answer the question on the front of the card before revealing the back. This simple step makes a huge difference. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your flashcard routine. This smart technique schedules your reviews at increasing intervals, showing you cards just as you're about to forget them. You'll review challenging cards more often and easier ones less frequently, optimizing your study time. Software like Anki automates this entire process, presenting cards at precisely the right moment for maximum long-term retention. It's a highly efficient way to commit information to your permanent memory. Finally, let's talk about creating effective flashcards. The key is to keep them concise, focusing on just one piece of information per card. On the front, pose a clear question or prompt, and on the back, provide a direct, unambiguous answer. Don't be afraid to incorporate images or diagrams. Visual cues can significantly boost your memory. High-quality flashcards are your foundation for successful active recall and spaced repetition, making your study sessions much more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.